Hey kids, today you are going to be doing a quick experiment on different shapes of mirrors, which is lab 11B. I call it mirror images. And for this you'll need a couple of things. Some of them might actually be in your house. I did provide enough in the kit, but if you've got other examples in your house, it actually might work out quite a bit better. So you need a plane mirror. This one from your kit can work. Even better though, go into a bathroom mirror to make this study. You need a concave mirror. That is one where the reflective surface forms a little bit of a cave. And so a really good example of that, an example can be use this if you're looking from this side and you push it in a little bit. So I'm pushing the center away from me. That makes this concave. It does only do it in the one dimension though, not in both. However, if you have a large shiny spoon, notice that the spoon part is concave. This can actually work really well. And you need a convex mirror. For that, you could use your flexible mirror and look at it and bend it out towards you. Or if you've got a makeup mirror, that is a good example of a convex mirror, and that would work. That would be my number one choice. And also, the backside of a spoon, again shiny, is a good example of a convex mirror. It's one that where the surface bends away from the center. I want you to go through here and look at a few different characteristics of the images formed from each of those types of mirrors. So I want you to make a judgment. Is the image bigger? Does it appear bigger, smaller, or the same size as the original? You probably. Is the orientation flipped left to right? So for that, make sure that you take a look and say, okay, if I lift my left arm, is the image lifting its left arm or its right arm, or how does that appear? Look at up and down orientation with that. And so if you're using this flexible mirror, make sure to kind of turn it both so you get both ways. So if I'm flexing it like this, I want to look at it there and like this to see left and right and up and down, because it's only bent in two dimensions. Spoons are a little better for that. And then the image type, is it real or is it virtual? This will be tough with improper or not ideal mirrors. But what it means is if you can find a way to project it, maybe grab a white piece of paper, have something bright that you're looking at as your image. So I've got a window right next to me. Can I use this mirror to focus it in any way on a screen? So I've got my image over there, and I'll have my screen over here so that I'm getting light bouncing off. Because obviously if I put the screen in front, then I can't get anything. So, but you can do that and see if you can get an image that you can recognize with each of these types of mirrors, so that if you are looking out at a tree, you could actually see that it's a tree. It might not be a perfect image, but that'll give you a decent idea. And then right under the table here, we've got to hold the small concave mirror, that's like the soup part of the spoon, at arm's length and observe your reflection. Then bring it in as close as you can to your eye and take a look. And so watch this as you come in closer and closer and closer. And you'll want some good light behind you as it gets close to your face, because there won't be much light in there. So make sure you've got a good light source behind so that you can still see the image that is apparent in there. Okay, and that's all there is to it. Quick one today.